Lusot na sa makapangyarihang Commission on Appointments si DMW Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak. Ikinutuwa rin ng mga mababatas ang mabilis na pagtugon ng DMW sa pangangailangan ng mga overseas Filipino workers. Si Daniel Manalasta sa detalye.
Lusot na sa Commission on Appointments ang ad interim appointment ni Migrant Workers Secretary Hans Leo Kakdak. Kinilala ng mga mambabatas sa plenaryo ang mga magandang ginagawa ng kalihim, lalo na sa kapakanan ng mga kababayan nating OFW. Malaki ang tiwala ng mga mambabatas sa abilidad at karanasan ni Kakdak.
Wala po tayong nakikita na mas karapat-dapat sa posisyong ito kung hindi si Secretary Hans Kakdak. Hindi po natin matatawaran ang karanasan ni Secretary Hans sa larangan ng serbisyo publiko.
I have faith in his credibility, ability, and competence in leading his department to fully and effectively serve our kababayan who risk their lives and their futures abroad.
May he inspire all of our mga fellow Filipinos with the same dedication and commitment that he has shown throughout his career.
Has solidified his reputation as a tireless advocate for our migrant worker. Attorney Kakdak's vision and strategic acumen are precisely what the Department of Migrant Worker needs.
Bagamat may mga kontra, naniniwala ang ilang miyembro ng CA na wala itong basihan.
Walang katuturan po. Or po kung sa it's all useless accusation, useless allegations determined only to malign the personality of Secretary Kakdak. I have already dealt with Secretary Kakdak, and he is one of the most accommodating secretaries that I have met with regards to the concerns of OFWs. There is no specific accusation. It is very easy to accuse a person of malfeasance, but to prove it otherwise is another matter. Wala nga ditong specific anong malfeasance ang ginawa ni Secretary Kakdak. So again, I would say that this is baseless and unfounded.
Laking pasasalamat naman ng kalihim bago siya sumalang sa plenaryo.
Briefly, I'm elated and we're thankful to the committee. I'm actually told not to say so much until after plenary. So at this stage, I'm just thankful and thankful to the President and ready to roll up our sleeves.
Daniel Manalastas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.